Well, if you notice here, this is what Armando's doing. He's cleaning the trench out. He doesn't have to get in the trench. And if you notice, he's not bending over like a normal shovel and pushing it. He is actually pulling the debris out of the trench. This trench is, I would say, 24 inches deep. And you can imagine how backbreaking it would be to do this with a trenching shovel. He also has, if I close up, if you notice when we trench, we got roots going through, which is understandable. Trees are nearby. With a trenching shovel, your debris trying to get it out of the trench is all going to fall off and it's going to catch. The bucket, absolutely no problem. And he's using the scraper blade because we need this trench as smooth as possible. Pipe go in, you can't have ups and downs. I'm stepping back. There we are. There we are. What do you think, Armando?
Oh, it's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Armando is a foreman of a construction company for a large landscape company in the Northwest. And he's demoing for the first time the bottom digger in an irrigation trench. And if you're in irrigation or construction, folks, you can imagine what this will do if the trench was for drainage, anything you had to have very, very smooth. And if you notice, it operates just like a small backhoe because you cannot get a backhoe in here because of the narrow trench. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the bottom digger.